Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and it is Wednesday, August 3rd, 2022. We're in Yuba City, California, back at Race Communications, another hub location for them. We're installing 21 cameras and 3 access control doors. Let's go check it out. This one's a little short. Might be hard to attach it to that red beam. I like to attach it to that silver beam. You could drill, I don't know if we're gonna drill from inside out or outside in, and then I pass it to you. I'll stand on that crate, pass it to you, or tape onto the, to get the wire out for this corner one. We could do that first too. If you want to drive the lift over there, I'll hop up on the orange thing. You drill through, I'll get the wire out to you.
And does this thing run good?
Oh, you should drive it.
Yeah.
It's night and day compared to every van I have. Compared to the Nissan and that one, I'll let you drive around the corner. You want to try it?
Yeah, let me whip this thing around the
block. Yeah. Wait till you watch drive it. It's trippy.
It even has the Mercedes shifter, electric shifter.
They bought a whole bunch of the Rams, not this big one like we have here, but the smaller ones, like the NV, this mini ones. So on the Verkada plate that goes to the bottom of the CF81 that holds the camera with these 3 pins, that has a letter scheme that equals to certain devices or junction boxes you'd be mounting to, I guess. So the 4 square is B. So this guy lines up perfectly with these 2 holes right here. And these are going to be cameras hanging upside down. So this will be mounted to the ceiling. A conduit will go in between. The junction box will go upside down. And then the camera hanging upside down to this 4 square like this. So I'm just prepping them all so when they get to those parts, they can just cut the 1 stick, fish the wire, and hang them.
This part is bottoming out against that, right?
I think it's running though. You see how, I see how it's bottoming out, but I think it's running out a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give it a shot.
Yeah.